So this is happening when I turn the music loud or when it's on the middle range, and this speaker out is starting to make this weird noise. I don't know what is it, and perhaps you could tell me, is it the amplifier out or it's something else? So it is the right output, and the speaker system is Trust. Item number is 19023-02. Can you help me to discover what is it? Thanks.